Hi, here we can find a 10-inch open frame connected with 3 micro switches. The micro switch will help to activate a video about a certain product. Use the switch, and now for this demonstration I used some tape, but this is the switch. So when the product is on it, it will be closed. If you have a product taken off, it will open. It will trigger the PCB board a new video. I will demonstrate it in this instruction video. So now I've put the micro switches with the tape, so it is now down. All of them are down. So now I will turn on the power. It will automatically start with the video. And so now you see the video is playing. So if I take one of the micro switches, I open it, click, it will play a new video, a triggered video. I close it. So I can take another one. I open it, click. It comes with external cables, very easy. You just plug in the switch into the board. And these are the other ones. Content is on an SD card. You just load the videos on an SD card, you give the certain names, you turn it on and it will play all automatically. When the video is ready from the trigger, it will return to a looping video which plays all the time, and if you lift the product, it will play the video. So that's it for the micro switch with the 10-inch open frame. Thank you for watching.